Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing some work over on the griddle. I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate patty melt sandwich. Smothered in cheese, onions, going to throw some bacon on there, sourdough bread. It's going to be incredible. My name is Rich and this is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Stick around and let's get cooking. Okay, we're going to be doing a patty melt today. Traditionally, cheese and onions. We're going to throw some bacon on there, use sourdough bread. First thing we want to do is get the bacon and the onions on the griddle. So come over here, get our bacon down. A little bit of oil on this side. We're going to season the onions with some salt, fresh ground pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And the wind is blowing it right off. Okay, so while the bacon and the onions are going, we'll start making the patties. As you can tell, it's a cold, wet, dreary day here in Ohio again, but it's winter time. Eventually we're going to be moving these in the house where it's a little bit warm. So got about a pound and a half of 80/20 ground beef. Obviously the 20% means 20% fat. To that we are going to add some fresh pepper, a little bit of salt, and some garlic powder. Okay, I'm just gonna mix. And we're gonna make our patties. And I'm just eyeballing this thing, you know, probably, I don't know, a quarter pound, third pound. Kind of oblong shape, oval shape. Kind of match the shape of the sourdough bread that we're going to be putting on it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Making 4 of the patty melts, so it's just about the right amount. Okay, the patties are ready to go. We are going to tend to the bacon. Toss the onions around a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to move the bacon around, switch sides with the onions. I'm going to put the onions in the bacon grease. That grease is flavor. Okay, we're going to pull the bacon and set it to the side for now. Onions are starting to look good. Okay, now we're going to get our patties on. Just want to set them on there. Not do too much else with them. He's going for a nice crust on the bottom maybe. Alright, so while the patties are cooking, the onions are finishing up, we're going to get our sourdough bread ready. You can use whatever bread you want. You can use Italian bread. I like sourdough, so we're just going to use some garlic butter on each side of these. It is getting cold out here, isn't it, Caitlin?
Yeah,
But hey, it wouldn't be outdoor cooking if we weren't outdoors, right? We'll be moving this stuff into the house as the next few months progress and wintertime hits us hard. Alright, so those are ready for the griddle. Onions are good. We'll just push them to the side to keep them warm. And we just need to wait on the patties. These things are going to be ginormous, but they're going to be delicious. Okay, patties are ready to flip. Got to get it under there in one quick motion. You don't want to lose the heat of that crust. That's what we're talking about. That nice crust. Okay, get our sourdough bread down. So we're making 4 sandwiches. Layer of pepper jack cheese on 3 of them. Caitlin doesn't want pepper jack on hers, so we're going to give her some Colby Jack. And our onions. Oh, this smells incredible. We'll do the bacon. And look at that, I'm short a piece of bacon. We'll give that one to your brother. Alright, get these patties on. Remaining slices of bread, and then carefully flip it over. Those toast up for a few more minutes and then we'll be ready to eat. These bad boys are done. Get them off of the flat top. Slice one of them open. Show you what it looks like. Alright, we're going to cut one of these open now. There we go, look at that. Nice and cheesy, bacon. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's take a bite. I know, these things smell awesome. They need to, like, we've been talking about smell-o-vision since I was a kid. That needs to be a real thing. Ah, this is the sourdough bread, the bacon, the onions, the cheese. This stuff's phenomenal. I'm sure everybody out there has had them before. Now you know how to make them at home. Caitlin, you're a little cold, right?
Very.
All right, so guys, listen, that's it, man. That is my patty melt, quick and easy, just like a burger, except no bun. You're using sourdough bread or Italian bread, whatever you like. Appreciate you taking the time watching the video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like the video. Tag us if you've made this before. Again, we're on social media. We're on Instagram. We're on TikTok. We're on Twitter, Facebook. Come check us out. Tell your friends. Tell your families. Share the video. We appreciate all of you guys. Until next time, thanks again for watching. Have yourself a good night.